Hello everyone. In last audio I spoke about entrepreneurial mindset. In this I'm going to talk about entrepreneurial leadership. I have observed 10 qualities of a successful leader and I followed them. So the first one is the successful leader has a vision. They always have a vision which helps to direct the action and resources towards making it a reality. The second is they believe in themselves. So they believe in themselves so that way they can turn around any negative situation by re-examining the variables. They are aware of their personal strength and limitations. Third one is the successful leader communicates well. A good leader avoids conflicts and misunderstandings. They encourage two-way communication. The fourth is the successful leader supports and guides the employees. Start by helping others clarify and achieve goals by identifying and removing any obstacles. They provide feedbacks to ensure positive attitudes and actions are taken. They serve as a model of good attitude. The fifth skill is successful leader create the atmosphere that encourage others to grow. They appreciate the role that motivational technique can play in improving employee performance. In sixth point, the successful leader manages by walking around. So what they do, they create an opportunity to informally chat with employees and learn something more about their work, challenges and lives. The seventh skill is a successful leader acts and reacts in an honest manner. Honest leader easily build trust and confidence. Their employees are more approachable to work hard, ask questions, and respect leaders who come across as honest. The eighth skill is the successful leader create and foster a learning environment. They recognize the increased knowledge, more job experience, and challenging different mindset increase worker satisfaction and productivity. Frequently encourage others to think outside the box and see issues from different or alternative perspectives. The ninth one is the successful leader perseverance. They don't sidetrack from achieving goals simply because obstacles exist or no answer is readily available. The 10th is The successful leader share success. A self-confident entrepreneur share the limelight with others who contribute to the final product or service, knowing that the positive outcomes are rarely the result of only one person's attempt or input. So these are the 10 skills I have observed in successful leaders, and I try to implement this in my leadership. If you have any questions or query regarding leadership, or you want to know more about this, please email or ask me in the app. In next audio, I'm going to talk about brainstorming your idea. Thank you for listening.